This is Ava Century 7, and I'm going to walk you through logging into and giving you a quick overview of the WordPress administrative interface in the new HepnerLodging.com site. So here we are at the front of the HepnerLodging.com site, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come all the way down here to the bottom. See this little link right here in the corner called Admin, and I'm going to click that, and what that's going to allow me to do is that's going to take me to the WordPress login screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in my username and password. Oops. And then if I want to, I can click Remember Me, and if I click Remember Me, it'll even if I close the browser, when I go back to it and I come back to HepnerLodging.com, I'll still be logged in. But that's only if I click Remember Me. If I were to X out of the screen right now and come back to it, then I would have to log in again because I didn't tell it to remember me. But here we are in the WordPress dashboard, and one thing I want to show you first is this little button right here says Visit Site. These actually do the exact same thing. I'm just going to click on HepnerLodging, and that's going to take me back to the main site. Now you're going to notice, even though I'm here in the front of the site, you're going to notice that I still have this bar up here that I got when I logged into WordPress. And that little WordPress admin bar will stay there as long as you're logged into WordPress. And all you have to do to get back into the administrative interface is just come up here and click HepnerLodging again. It takes you right back here to the administrative interface. This is the dashboard. It gives you kind of a quick overview of what's going on in WordPress. I don't really use the dashboard. I don't find much use for it. Everything is right over here. This is kind of the meat and potatoes of WordPress right here. And you'll see here we have in this system, it's designed actually specifically for hotel and hotels and motels. And you'll see here we have accommodation. And if I click on accommodation, this will take me to the accommodation screen, and I'll see all the rooms that we currently have available. This is a very common interface you're looking at right here in WordPress. I'm going to bring out events. I'm going to right-click on this and open it in a new tab, so you can see also you have something very similar here. Okay, now you may have different columns and different titles for different information that's displayed in here, but usually when you click on whatever the primary thing is, if it says events, you click on events. If it says slideshow, and you click on slideshow. If it says testimonials, and you click on testimonials. Not the add new, but you click on testimonials. It's going to give you a list of whatever those items are, and the list is going to look very similar to this. And in this list, usually you will hover over the item, and you will get these little items here that will give you kind of shortcuts to do different things with the items. Quick edit, send it to the trash, view the item. This edit, which is basically the one you'll use the most, and clicking on this, the title of the link, do the exact same thing and take you to the exact same place, which is the edit screen right here, so you could edit the room. And as you see here in this room, I have we've got an area for price. You put in call for rates. You put in price info, some accommodation details. You can set a featured image. This is also a very similar screen to what you're going to see in a lot of areas. This is customized for the accommodation itself, but this here is the standard WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get editor inside of WordPress. You can just type text in there, and you can alter that text. Simply, you could highlight that text, and I could tell it I want to make it a heading 1, and it'll make it bigger. I can change the color of that text. Very, very common interface, like what you see in Microsoft Word and stuff like that. So anyway, like I said, this is just kind of a quick overview. I just wanted to show you what WordPress looks like on the inside. And in our next video, I'm going to actually take you step by step through the accommodation, the events, and we're going to talk about slideshows, testimonials, how to edit pages, and how to edit the general appearance of the website.